What happened to you? My child is not growing well. He's malnourished. He does not walk. He is always sick every now and then. Even our father deserted us that he does not produce such children. Pastor, I don't know what the problem with my child is. All the mothers we produced with, their children of his age are running. But mine refused to walk. He cannot walk, Pastor. I don't know why. Pastor, please help me. He cannot even stand. Don't cry. Even the way the head is formed. Won't you hope for God to heal your child? She says she believes she's going back home when her child is walking. Yes, Papa. What does the father say? He deserted us, saying for him he cannot produce disabled children. My child is always sick, Pastor. I don't know what the problem is really. Even here where he is very hot, the temperature is high, it's been disturbing me.
Glory to Jesus.
Pastor Iga is carrying. Father, I present this child before you. Before you, Lord. Ashame this man that told this lady that for him he does not produce disabled children.
We
are in a time of praying for sick people. The man of God is now holding this child so the grace of the Lord can come. Father, I present this child before you. I plant him on the ground, down on the ground, so that he walks. In Jesus' glorious name.
Jesus, your love is too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Hey, Jesus, your love is too much, oh.
She's confused. She's confused now. She's very confused.
Jesus, your love is too much, oh. Excess love, oh. Hey, Jesus, your love is too much, oh. Too much, oh, excess love, oh. Hey, Jesus, your love is too much, oh. Too much, oh, excess love, oh. Excess love, oh. Jesus, your love is too much, oh. Too much, oh, excess love, oh. Yeah. Jesus, your love is too much, oh. Too much, oh, excess love, oh.
What is it? what is it?
Musumba simayina kumanya. Omwana wange.
Yo. Whoa. She's saying, is this my child?
Musumba simayina kumanya nze.
Mwana wo.
Simayina kumanya nze. Simanyi.
Jangu olabe Yesu byakoleka wala. Jangu olabe Yesu byakozesa musumba yiga. Yesu byakoleka wala. Jangu olabe Yesu byakoleka wala. Jangu olabe Yesu byakozesa musumba yiga. Yesu byakoleka wala. Jangu olabe Yesu byakozesa musumba igendo.
Yesu byakoleka wala. Yesu byakozesa musumba igendo.
Abalema batambula bakigala balaba. Abazibe bona balaba. Jangu olabe kiryeka wala.
Jangu olabe Yesu byakoleka wala. Yesu byakozesa musumba igendo.
Abalema batambula abazibe balaba bakigala bawulira. Jangu olabe kiryeka wala eno.
Jangu olabe
Yesu byakoleka wala. Jangu olabe Yesu byakozesa musumba igendo. Wama jangu olabe Yesu byakoleka wala. Jangu olabe eno Yesu byakozesa musumba igendo.
Jangu olabe Yesu byakoleka wala. Jangu olabe Yesu byakozesa musumba igendo.
Yesu akola bikulu wayiga akola bidede.
Yesu akola bikulu.
I thank God, Pastor. I don't even know what to say.
Bazadde bannange munnebazeeko musumba bannange
My fellow parents, thank Pastor for me.
obulumi bonna bwe mbadde nnina Mukama Katonda musumba Mukama kyokoledde akuddizeewo akuwe buli kimu ky'osinga okwagala.
She prays for more blessings for Pastor.
Musumba neeyanza neeyanzenge.
Thank you very much, Papa. Thank you so much indeed.
Omwana wange atambudde.
My child can now walk.
Kubira Yesu engalo ez'amaanyi.
Mighty and clap to Jesus.
Don't worry.
Teweraliikirira.
Genda, your husband agenda kuswala.
You go, your husband is going to be ashamed.
Genda Mukama aswaze n'ababadde basekerera omwana wo.
Let God ashame all those that were laughing at your child.
Omwana ono
This boy,
Mukama amutaddeko ekisa.
God has put His grace upon him.
Era obuzibu bwonna
And any problem
bwali baava ku mutwe guno.
had come from this head.
Okulaba nga n'emisiwa giri kungulu.
You see, even the veins are protruding through the skin.
Ekitiibwa kigwanira Yesu.
Glory and honor is for Jesus.
Oyo atambuza omwana abadde tatambula. Ekitiibwa kya Mukama.
Honor and glory is for the Lord.
N'amatendo gamugwanira.
And all the praises
Oyo
are
atadde
worthy.
ekisa ekingi ku mwana abadde
That
tatambula.
one who has proved this grace
Banange
upon the child
tumukubire
that
engalo
couldn't walk.
ez'amaanyi
Let
Yesu.
us clap for Jesus.